it. This is the last campsite. This is the farthest trail. I have never been down here before. Every time I come down here, it's underwater. This is amazing. Wow. International and Great Northern Railroad. Look at this. I am standing right beside these things. This is terrific. And over here's the campsite. I apologize for the way this video is. My cell phone just is constantly acting up. And I can't get it to do what I want it to do, but here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first time down here, ever.